Been a long time since you've been here. This whole city's haunted. Welcome to my little slice of heaven.
That's my little girl. I keep thinking she's still alive.
You know, even if you find this guy's daughter, they make them all addicts. Why are you doing this?
You own me.
You want to go out with a bang?
Just what I need. If I was here to kill you, you'd already be dead.
When did you start believing that you can't be killed?
I haven't.
Why do help him? Because I'm more afraid of him. I am of you. The buddy rate is fucking history.
Anything in the bigger caliber?
Well, happiness is a warm gun.